Each knockdown pocket door frame kit from Quanex includes one header with attached track, 4 steel-wrapped wood stiffeners, 2 floor brackets, nails, and a bag of hardware for hanging the pocket door. The door hanging hardware is not needed to install the pocket door frame. It's recommended to attach the hardware bag to one side of the rough opening for safekeeping. Screws can be substituted for nails for a more secure frame and to allow for easier adjustments. Step 1. Assemble the rough opening. The rough opening height equals the door height plus 4 1/2 inches. The rough opening width equals the door width multiplied by 2 plus 1 inch. Step 2. Install the frame header with track. On the center line of each stud, measure and mark the position equal to the door height plus 3/4 of an inch. Keep in mind the floor covering height, if not yet installed, and gap desired when making this calculation. Further adjustments can be made with the hardware when the floor is installed. Then insert a nail or screw at your mark on each side of the rough opening and leave out 1/8 inch. Place the header end brackets over the 2 screws. Level the header before fully tightening the screws. Secure the brackets with more screws in each corner hole. Step 3. Install the stiffener floor brackets. Use a chalk line or a stiffener as a straight edge to draw a line on the floor on either side of the studs. Position the first floor bracket so the stiffener will sit against the wrapped section of the header. Center the second floor bracket between the first bracket and the stud. Each bracket should also be centered between the lines drawn on the floor. Screw each bracket to the floor. Step 4. Install the stiffeners. Before installing, Quanex recommends pre-drilling the screw holes in the top of each stiffener. The top has openings in the steel back to allow for easy fixturing. Starting on one side of the door frame, slide the bottom of the first steel stiffener over the floor bracket, wood side out, and set it against the header side. Fasten the stiffener to the header nailing strip located on the top of the header. Install the second stiffener on the same side. Use the level to make sure the stiffener is plumb. Move to the other side of the door frame and install the 2 remaining stiffeners the same way. Once the KD pocket door frame has been installed and the wall covering has been applied, the included rollers and door hardware can be used to install your door. The KD Pocket Door Frame Kit accommodates door widths from 2 foot to 3 foot. If using a door smaller than 3/0, the pre-assembled header with track will need to be cut down. The header comes pre-marked with an easy cutting guide to help save you time. Remove the adjustable end bracket. Locate the mark on the wood nailing strip that matches the width of your door. Use a saw to cut through the wood only. Turn the header on its side and locate the same size mark. Cut through the wood side piece only. Repeat the same cut on the opposite side of the header and discard the cut pieces of wood. Next, to shorten the metal track, measure 1 1/4 inches from the end of the wood nailing strip to mark a cut line for the track. Use a metal cutting saw to make the cut. Discard the cut piece of track. Reattach the adjustable end bracket on the new cut end of the header. This cut will be enclosed in the wall. The knockdown pocket door frame kit can be paired with the soft close hardware kit to soften the pocket door's motion. The soft close hardware replaces the door hanging hardware provided in the KD frame kit. Keep the plastic bumper and guides from the door frame kit's hardware bag. To use this hardware for a soft open, it must be installed before the sheetrock encloses the rough opening. But for a soft close, the hardware can be installed at any time, before or after sheetrocking and finishing. 2 kits may be used together for both soft open and close functions. Before installing the soft open hardware, the dampener latch must be engaged on the roller with the 2-wheel idle extension on it. Slide the dampener latch all the way to the end nearest the 3-wheel roller. Insert the 3-wheel roller with extension into the track. Install the activating arm stop at the end of the track, positioning it 2 1/4 inches from the jamb. Center the arm in the track and tighten the screw to hold it in place. When installing the door, the hanging bracket will be placed 2 3/4 inches from the sides of the door for soft close installations. Learn more at Quanex.com.